What would happen if all the whales in the ocean just magically disappear? Hi, and welcome to Brain Teaser. If whales suddenly disappeared, the oceans wouldn't just lose big animals, they'd lose key engineers of the entire ecosystem. The effects would ripple from tiny plankton all the way up to climate systems. Here are 6 ways it would affect us. Number 1. The ocean food web would weaken. Many whales, like blue whale and humpback whale, feed deep underwater and then release nutrient-rich waste near the surface. This process, often called the whale pump, which then fertilizes phytoplankton. Without whales, less nutrient mixing would occur, fewer phytoplankton, which is the base of the food chain, and fish populations would decline over time. 2. Oxygen production would drop. Phytoplankton produce over half of Earth's oxygen. Fewer plankton equals less oxygen generated globally. It wouldn't suffocate us overnight, but it would gradually impact atmospheric balance. 3. Climate change would worsen. Whales help store carbon in 2 ways. Their bodies hold carbon for decades. When they die, they sink, which is called whale falls, locking carbon in the deep ocean. Without whales, less carbon is removed from the atmosphere. More CO2 stays in circulation, accelerating warming. 4. Deep sea ecosystems would collapse. When a whale dies and sinks, it creates a whale fall, a massive food source for deep sea life that can last decades. Species that depend on this would struggle or go extinct, disrupting deep ocean biodiversity. 5. Predator-prey balance would shift. Predators like orca rely on whales, especially calves, as part of their diet. Without whales, orcas would switch to other prey, seals, fish. This could cause overhunting and imbalance across multiple species. 6. Economic and cultural impacts. Whale watching industries would vanish. Coastal communities that rely on marine biodiversity would be affected. Whales also hold cultural importance for many indigenous groups. So now we know, whales aren't just animals, they're ecosystem engineers and climate regulators. If they disappeared, the ocean would become less productive. The atmosphere would hold more carbon. Climate change would worsen. Marine life would slowly decline. It wouldn't be an instant disaster, but it would be a quiet, irreversible slide toward a less stable planet.